In finding an angle using trigonometry, we've come to the calculation x is equal to the inverse cosine of 2.3 divided by 3.2. Before proceeding, we need to make sure the calculator is in degree mode by looking to make sure there's a D in the display here. Once we know that we're in degree mode, we can go ahead and make the calculation. Pressing Shift and cos gives us inverse cos. We can see it's exactly the same as what we write down. In the bracket we want 2.3 divided by 3.2. Close the bracket and press equals, and we get the answer as 44.04 and so on degrees. We should write down 44.0486 ... and then round to an appropriate degree of accuracy. Note that we could have entered the calculation as Shift cos and then used the fraction button here to enter 2.3, press the down arrow, over 3.2, and then the right arrow to take us out of the fraction, followed by a bracket. This means exactly the same as our first calculation, and we'll see it gives the same answer. But note how this looks exactly the same as what we wrote down here. If we press equals, we get the same answer. So we have the choice here of writing 2.3 divided by 3.2 or of using the fraction button.